Hi everyone. Affiliate marketing is my favorite way of making money online. This is because I find that it is the closest thing to earning passive income. Why do I say closest thing? Well, over the years of working and making money online, I've learned that there is really no pure and complete way of earning passive income. The reason I say this is because for every way of earning passive income, you must put in at least some work. Coming back to affiliate marketing, as I said above, I do find it the closest way of earning passive income. After you've set up your funnels or landing pages or anything you create to get affiliate sales, you drive traffic to that and get sales. That is when passive income happens. For example, I was on vacation in Malaysia some years back. Early morning before going out to see the sights, eat really delicious food, I would check my emails on my laptop. And it was always fun to see commissions made while I was asleep as well as out having fun. So, what is affiliate marketing? Well, simply put, it is when you find and choose a product that you like to promote, then you approach the company that sells the product and say that you want to be their affiliate. They approve you as an affiliate and they give you an affiliate link. You promote the product and give the affiliate link for potential customers to click on. Then when someone clicks on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Really, actually, this is nothing new. Before the internet, salespeople were already doing this, except that they did not use a website or anything online. They went around knocking on doors, did some personal selling, sold the products, and they received commissions for all their efforts. In affiliate marketing, we have the merchant. This merchant can be a company selling a product such as an airline selling or airline tickets or hotel selling hotel rooms. The merchant would like to increase sales of their product or service that they offer. So they create an affiliate marketing program and offer affiliate marketers a commission when a customer buys their product or service. Different affiliate marketing programs have different systems. Usually, the affiliate marketers will be given an affiliate link that they can use to promote the product or service. There can also be an affiliate dashboard for affiliate marketers to create unique affiliate links, track leads and sales, and even get reports on their sales. Most affiliate marketing programs would send an email whenever an affiliate sale has been made. Then there is you, the publisher or the affiliate. You promote the merchant's product. You might do it on a website or social media. On these platforms, you will add your affiliate link for people to click on. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and make a purchase of the product, you earn a commission. Besides an affiliate link, some merchants provide banners, or any other form of marketing communications that you can use. You, as the affiliate, can use this to promote their products. The banners and other forms of marketing communications will be programmed to include your affiliate link. As such, when people click on them, it will be tracked and recorded as yours. Finally, there's the customer. This would be the person who has consumed your content and is interested in the product you promoted. The potential customer, after they consume your content, clicks on your affiliate link. They then go to a sales page and they make a purchase of the product. This is known as a conversion, which means the potential customer has now been converted to become your customer. You, as the affiliate, gets a commission from this sale. How does the merchant keep track of people who clicked on your affiliate link? They use something called a cookie. This is not the same as the cookies that you eat, that I love to eat. It is a unique affiliate code that records that a person has clicked on your affiliate link. This record is sent to the merchant server and stored there. For a limited period, the merchant would have that record of the potential customer who clicked on your affiliate link. So anytime the potential customer makes a purchase within that limited period, the cookie informs the merchant that this sale is yours, and then you earn a commission. There are many ways an affiliate marketer can promote products. You can create a blog, write about the products. You can add an affiliate link for people who reads your blog. Some affiliate marketers promote their affiliate links on social media such as TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Today, the popular and very effective way to promote affiliate marketing products is on Facebook. And there's a way to do it so that you can get more sales easily. If you're interested to learn more about this, drop me a #me in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. I wish everyone good health, wealth, and success.